Ding. Oh, ding. Oh, Hey, boom! It's your boy King Ginger, cream de la cream. But some demand you mabuyu bambolo you shasem. Upochaman sabafokasane bepodlu choala. Welcome to another exciting episode of Sniyate Banana. Couple switching phones in Tanami. We're in the streets of Johannesburg, South Africa, and we are looking for lovers. Abantu abanomjolo phakathi and King Ginger, cream de la cream. For the show, tell it to phakathi. Hey, Mzansi, I like it when you say it with me. It's going crazy. It's going bananas. It's a purple kingdom Tanami. Another day, another dollar, another benga. Oh no, I'm not alone. I'm with my son. Welcome, Jamini. Shendele bobo, shipopo, shibaba, shipopo, shipopo, shi. Shipopo, shi. Shipopo, shi. Shipopo, 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 shipopo. Take me straight to our favorite shipopo no. Hey yo, boom! It's your boy King Ginger, cream de la cream. International Kings, but some demand you mabuyu bambolu shase. Upota manza bafokasane bepodlu chwala. Welcome to another exciting episode of Niyate Banana. Couple switching phones in Tanami. We are in the streets of Johannesburg and we are looking for lovers. Abantu abanumcholo phakathi and King Ginger na CMTV. Bafuna ukuthelithwa iphakathi.
Andile ngomunye umfana nje mistake.
It's about that time, Mdanami, as we are hunting. You know, we are purple hunters. Me and my son, when you see us, you must know it's hunting day. We hunt for something nice. Hunting day. Let's go. What are we doing?
Hunting.
Hunting. And we are not flaunting.
We are not freaking.
Yes. Start. Hatia was instead of outside, my brother. I'm like that. Then this. Hatia was the joke. Instead of swimming and then to the boat or something. What's your name? Otto. Ottoman, you look like a soccer player. I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry. I go around and I ask people questions. Are you a soccer player?
No, I used to play soccer, but I came in that stuff.
Yeah, think.
For
sure. Hot niya, sir. Good?
Yeah, minsan.
Niya pilam taga ma ubani kam.
Yung isa.
Numkeb. Oh, so numkeb na hot, so you guys are dating.
Yes.
Love in the streets. Ngayithanda leyo nto bafethu. Abantu abathanda nayo ngiyathanda. Abantu abanosana, abantu yabo? Yeah. So ungathi ngithanda umuntu wakho.
Oh, like, okay, there's like the little boys in Becca Summer. So I like the way she scored for 2.
Sure.
But so what? Yeah.
Agasa smile uthothfully. Ningambona showcase okay. When a steroid detect you love about your partner.
He's caring
For sure.
and he's my safe space.
Epoleni. Anjaya. So uvuya sometimes you support amakadlala ekhasi.
Yes.
Yeah, we actually like play soccer. And so we were very baby. And she supported. I said that. We supported. So yeah, Vela, Mangala Polang support. She buys snacks for me, like
For sure.
makes so good like a suit. I'm
And
everything is
water
going
and
down.
touching bit dirty.
Sure. Aziko le labanyo picture but kung sa bay ka khoto
Ay.
usolala
Ang pain na
Later on.
Ang bapingo ba pe?
because usuke khona umethem.
Yeah.
Unjani ku touchline? Usuke ehamba nawe ekuphusha noma mhlawumbe uyama or
Yeah. Yes, I like that. Yeah,
you love that, ne?
I love it.
So I want to know from you, my brother, in a scale of 100 to what in Sundown on an step,
I don't think they were still. I'm beyond that.
no,
So yeah,
when I was tembanga in a scale of 100,
I love it.
ukhona noma umuntu okusana ngaphandle by my sister.
Kanjani?
Hanyabula. Hayi iputso. Sure.
100%.
Ay. All right. So uyamncane ne? For sure. So swam in a scale of 100 ungathi umthanda kangakanani brothers?
It breaks the scale.
It breaks the scale.
Yes.
When usithemba kangakanani?
100%.
Ukhona umuntu okhotha indlebe mhlambe mawuthi khona umuntu oseka naye.
Fa ayabuyitela yiki.
Yazi la ngapha.
Hayi wena.
Yazi be.
Yakwate.
Pata strong.
Yo. Siswami ungenza njani mangafanda ukuthi umuntu wakhe cheater?
I don't forgive cheating, so I'll step up with
Akwata ngempela ke manje. You step out and leave.
Yes.
About you guys. I like that because we are tired man. Abantu ababekezeleni nakwethu. You know? Yeah. Ikhonto ufuna ukuyitholisela mhlambe ukuthi mhlambe uke walahla kayi-1 bakutameza and wanganaka and be just so.
Cha pagdang nimilayezo kunidebejala isko.
Okay.
Yenithi ngiyada ngifulishe into.
Uzwile. Umlayezo to ex-girlfriend. Itsini?
Ngiyada ngifulishe into.
Twa another person's trash is someone else's treasure. You are a treasure today. Sister, ngicela umuphi yakho umtshela ukuthi emthanda umuntu wakho. Believe, sir. Believe, my boy. I will put some this. As in below yakho high.
Yeah.
You are arenas. Thank you, Jaya. Pethu sintetele. Sandole ngiyahlonipha nihle kakhulu and ngifisela konke okuhle but mina no welcome zomela sivale before sivale sister kunento esenza la kuthi loyalty test is by switching phone
Loyalty what?
loyalty test it's by switching
Uyazi ngamzembe. Loyalty test stand. Baby.
kangaboyo
Yeah.
ubani
Yeah.
when you talk about fayidaya normal text lalela yini kunento esenza la kuthi loyalty test it's by switching phones for 60 seconds. You give your partner your phone for 60 seconds so that she can check or go to when. Ufletha nabo bani on WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram if you also use those socials. I'm not trying to stay around and game, of course, you're not hiding anything at all. Please come to us.
Mara, as not happening.
Entertain.
Chat. Like Melissa.
Unganike fence ni manje.
Baby.
Yeah, picking up.
Melissa.
Picking up. Yeah.
Baby.
Ma, ngisanimisa. Let's see phone sister. How? Salo kuthi baby lana. How? Let's no baby let's phone.
Baby. Melissa.
Sister ukhulume ne.
No, yeah.
Shame.
Just Joe, is it something that you're
You
hiding?
know what I'm talking about, Jones?
Or there's something that you're hiding that I should know?
No.
Then why are you keeping your phone in your pocket?
These are
Then take it
strangers,
out.
baby.
Mina.
What is stranger?
Mina is stranger.
Okay, let's be realistic. Go start there, Nani.
Mfika.
People are coming with
Mina
cameras.
is stranger.
People are coming with
Mina.
cameras. You
Who
can't do
cream
that.
la cream mina?
Uba,
Who king
la cream.
Awipuki YouTube. Awuthi ni stranger.
Are you gonna give him your phone or not?
Baby,
Are you gonna give him your phone, Mama? Are you gonna give him your phone or not? Yes, I do, but are you gonna give him your phone or not?
I don't mind.
Then give it to him. Is there something that you hide?
Nema jokes ne. Wena nyakwazi le. We disguise ne. Okay. Nema jokes phela ne. So kala le phone yakho ne.
Okay.
Ribulingwa. Ona ngizise kwathi so yakwata mpela lomkwata.
Ngangiphatha.
Awukwata. Usazokwata.
Tola Spanish, baby.
Bamba phela. Oh. Now WhatsApp yawubona ngena ku. Yeah, and then mase WhatsApp ne. Makuveli kamela lakho la ungitshela. Makuveli kamela lezinye isifebe la ungitshela lezinye izinja la ungitshela ngoba lezo zinja yizo lezi ezobe zidla umuntu wakhe yabo. All right guys, my name is King Ginger Cream de la Cream. Wait. My name is King Ginger Cream de la Cream. We're on WhatsApp right now and you're about to tap that try this. Sapala put I love you. Instead. Oh no, never change this. Not change ka tsana. Yeah, mungaboni lutho ungitshele futhi delete lapha. Type uthi I miss you faka ne-heart red. Olazi ngikhaphela kayi-1.
Hey,
Khothi nje.
umuntu oshaka ngemiphi number?
I
Delete. Type lapha uthi sex. Nginokoka nge-sex nathi. I like a sexy love for the things you do. Delete lapho utype uthi money. Sibone ukuthi ubani omnika imali.
Okay, ngibona sex la for mubaba wakhe, ngisendele imali. So let's go meet him. Everything up para. So yeah, Umsendele imali baba.
Why utatazela, my boy?
Yeah.
Why you are in a hurry?
Angikhathazeli.
Take your time. You're on the phone there.
Yeah.
He needs a lap. Tani, come outside. Take your time. Let it. It's time.
Nah, not you, very stay. I take it. Alright.
Yo, dalo bed boost. Instagram?
No.
Delete lapha faka emoji ebrinjol ipentshi sinalamanzi athi hwa impopoma.
Okay, nah.
But that's highly impossible to do that.
Angiyaqali hawo wena ngaqali.
Ngiyaphendula.
Eh? Aw.
But that's what I like about it. Like, usipheka yabo.
Yeah?
Hey, it's been 9 months since us to cigar. 9 months.
Aw. Yini sister wena virgin yini? Ah! Aw ngeke. Nenzani? Ukwatanda. Yini ukwatelayo ke la? Awuvule la. Ukwatile uyakwata ukwatanda lana. Kodwa nekwabani? Ha. Yini. Wait! Stop that doesn't shoot WhatsApp flag. So okay, mase ngithi type uzotype la. Makuvela igama lakho la ungitshela. Makuvela igama lelinye ifebe la ungitshela. All right, please. All right, guys, my name is King Aibo. Tell me, are you Kosa? Are you from home? Ngifuna ekhaya kaka. Oh. I was in Kokstad, bro. I was in Kokstad Pongweni maximum. Yeah. But yeah, man, let's continue. When you check it, kept it, but Tindabuya. No, man. Better put I love you. Bro. I work with them, sir, plumber. Come on. Okay, go to the channel. I miss you, Jay. Light. Tengangolis. So when I was last drinkers.
Vela mina noma wakhe.
Nice. I like that. Delete her. Type her out sex. Enjoy him. So when man's failing now cheat and it.
Come on, Rose.
Yeah, kilometers. Oh.
Is it the very same rule that I think they will?
One has made it yes.
My friend Rose. My
What's
best
wrong?
friend.
You know that me and Rose we friends, okay?
You and my best friend, you guys are friends.
What's my skater together, Nje?
But I'm typing sex and Rose is here. How?
How?
Okay, listen. I can explain.
The channel is for 5 months.
Can explain it.
The channels.
For 5 minutes.
Baby, it's been tough. I can't lie to you, babe. It's
What's
been
so tough?
Babe. 9 months.
And
I'm Pinexi. I never, babe. I never do me.
so to
I
prove
know.
my love for you, I have to give my virginity to you, knowing very well that I was misaleng pants.
I'm not saying that you have to give me your virginity.
Then what is it that you're doing with my friend? My friend of all people.
And the friend yakho yazi ukuthi akalona virgin.
My friend of all people. Someone that I trust. Someone that I can come back home with. So that means mina mangibuya mangilala ngishani to you guys are busy behind my back.
We have a skate.
Oh, so ngicela ukubuza uqale nini kumskater kumngani wakhe?
Kinja ngomphumela mbaba.
Sister. Sorry. Okay, yini into engizoyikhuluma sister uzoboshwa because icamera njengoba icapture la ungamthi.
So, fisiye mona. Active kanti abathe film. Wabo. I don't know what's going on.
So wena sister usazoqhubeka utshole nalo njengoba umbona.
Kumele sihambe
Nawe mara
manje,
sister
kumele
9 months imude lengane lena. Ngeke.
Sihambe.
Sister, but nawe ucabanga kanjani?
Continue searching. I think
Yes,
you should know
continue. Fuck, delete lapha faka emoji print. But sister, u9 months tomfanelo nengaphephi. Ucabanga ukuthi uzosurvive kanjani?
Hlanga, uyazi ngibheka sifakile manje.
No, but awuthami wena uphumeleni ukuthi
Uyazi ukuthi sifakile yet.
but
Athaba.
unayo yami. Wena usukhathele ukusikomora.
Tabani.
Okay.
Ngifuna tabani.
You see what should I say?
Uyabuya ngithreatenisha manje. Faka ibrinjol, faka ipenches, faka nalamanzi athi pha. awuthi yami ngabe uyaxolisa mfethu nawe mina ngiyaunderstand icry yakho ukhalela ukuthi una 9 months mfethu ubulawa nje ilokhu uzana uGobhojana
Come on, Natinele, Robina didn't
yeah
try like it.
sister kantoni uyawe okay wena njengebajini ubumsendela yena manothi
No.
why ungamsendeli
So what?
akakwenze lutho
So?
ayikhuthaze hey nawe ikhulumele phela
Ngiqokhuluma
okay
mameti.
Okay sibaye sister
Of
no
all people, my friend.
amaka awuningi
My friend.
9 months
My friend.
9 months mina 9 months
But my friend.
Bro.
How do I say it for someone else, my friend?
Listen.
9
Before I was with
So
you,
he's sleeping with my friend.
before I was with you, it will take me at least 2 weeks to chow. 9 months.
yeah
My friend.
but now so wena wabe umngani wakhe ukulala nomngane wakho ubufila ngathi uthola yena
Mngani wakhe, I was going through things, ne? Unfortunately, she was not that supportive emotional and all. So the friend became a shoulder to cry on, and all. And I wasn't expecting this.
Understand.
I wasn't expecting this.
Reason being for her to become a shoulder to cry on what happened, what led you there.
yes
I go.
and
And
it to use a condom
condom.
yeah condom
I mean, chapeau.
oh
That's what I know you
uzokubreaka
mean.
ngoro uzokubreaka ngoro now
So
Yabo
you
wena?
like now.
uzokubreaka ngoro
Yeah.
Now, that's what you mean. Uchila go yimile mara sinje tsi papa ngwana.
It's alright. We not give it.
What if go motshwate ngwakula? Ntari please.
Wakula.
Do you know that?
No.
And you don't
No.
use protection. Do you know that? The very same friend that you are busy eating.
Yeah.
You know that?
yeah and do you know ukuthi now is step very soon
Okay, Yazin. All I can say,
What
listen,
mean?
since Akula, you are safe. I'll soon. That's why.
No,
Yeah.
it's fine.
You are safe.
It's okay. You can
Also-
continue.
so
with
ngisana
her.
ukuba
But I'm done.
yeah but now sister 9 months mfethu
Utanini.
I'm done.
Utanini.
I'm done.
Utanini.
No.
You expect me to stay?
Utanini.
You expect me to
Baba,
stay?
me,
After
I
you
love
being busy
you
with
to
my
death.
friend. So?
I love you to
So?
death.
You busy with my friend?
What?
You expect me to stay? The disrespect.
I fucking love
The
you.
disrespect.
I love you, bro. I love you, bro.
usuqala lo chief boy bakho ke
Bro, I
ngiyakubona
love you, bro.
yeah cry
Bro, I love you, bro.
go on your shoulder to
Bro,
cry
I love
on
you.
hey
Bro, look.
famba naye sazoqhubeka utshole nalokhathi sister ngabe ngiyakhaga manje la ishow inakuvumelekile ukuthi nginema welcome mshaye ngephantsi ubuye uzohakha my sister ungabuyi wena la usijoyela kabi akugoqoza welcome pheke choco case pues sister hack yakhala sister ine welcome iqine kabanga ayiqine yeah hamba naye welcome umbekostele phela bafana ajwayele mbambe sister bambelela welcome uzoba safe sanda leyo nto King Ginger Cream Dala Cream ntwana yaseginga indlovu ezami ziyawina my son goqoze lo mfana ngamphuca le price yakhe mrequestele welcome lo mfana akalideserve leli fathi 9 months hey nawe sister nesibindi qila zingane 9 months igcwele ukhonkolo ikhanda manje take me home
Hey yo boom, it's your boy King Ginger Cream Dala Cream intwana yase Kings bathi umtimandi umabuya ubambolunya uhlase ubhodla amanzi abafokazane bebhodla utshwala. Welcome to another exciting episode of Niyathembana na couple switching phones mntanami. We are in the streets of Johannesburg and we are looking for lovers abantu abanomjolo phakathi and King Ginger ne CMTV bafuna ukuthela itswayi phakathi.
Andile ngomunye umfana nje mistake